Demolition of skyscrapers. 234.7 meters, Aksa Tower, Singapore, reason, redevelopment. 215 meters, 270 Park Avenue, New York, reason, make way for other construction. 187 meters, Singer Building, New York, reason, make way for other construction. 171 meters, CPF Building, Singapore, reason, make way for other construction. 168.5 meters, Mina Plaza, Abu Dhabi, reason, never completed. 165 meters, Fuji Xerox Towers, Singapore, reason, redevelopment. 160 meters, Morrison Hotel, Chicago, reason, make way for other construction. 158 meters, Deutsche Bank Building, New York, reason, heavy damage from 11th September attacks. 152 meters, UIC Building, Singapore, reason, make way for other construction. 103 meters, Supertech Twin Towers, Noida, India, reason, violation of norms. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.